Hey, I've got a Lexus RX 350 here where the hood won't stay open. Once it opens, it closes back up again. So right now I've got it jammed open with a broom. The problem is the hood support struts. So today I'm going to show you how I change those. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload future videos. Hi, it's Dave. The hatch on this Lexus RX 350 doesn't like to stay closed. That means these support struts, hatch support struts, are going out. So we're going to replace those. The only tool I'm really going to need for this is a good-sized flat-tip screwdriver. We're going to take these two off on both sides and we're going to replace them with some new ones that I bought online. I'll leave a link below if you want to get the same ones. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is get my new struts ready. They come with this strap around, so they're in a compressed position with this strap around them. And so when I cut the strap, the thin part here is going to pop out. It's under pressure. So we need to be very careful to not have this end pointing toward us or anything else. And there we go. That's one. And we'll go decompress the other one. Okay. Got the new ones ready. Now also, comes with the end caps off. Yours might be different, so I'm gonna have to add the end caps to these. Okay, so I have to screw the caps on the fat end of my new struts. Okay. Now if you have some of these struts, you need to read them because some of them may say left side or right side. Mine do not, so I believe they're interchangeable. But I think if you get the OEM parts, one says left and one says right. So make sure to double check if you have a right and a left part. Okay, next I'm going to take off one of the struts. Now I've put a broom here to support the weight of the door, so when this comes out, the door does not fall down. The first thing I've got to do is take this this clip off. I'm not sure if I can do this with one hand, so I may need to put the camera down and pry that off, but you just pry it off like this. Okay, once you've got the clip off, taking that clip off, I'm just gonna lift up gently a little bit on the door and pull this off. And my broom fell off. Okay, I've got that one off. Now I need to do the same thing here. Now I'm gonna take that one off. Sorry, I bumped the camera. Now, the interesting thing is the instructions say that the thin part should be installed downward and the fat part upward, which is the opposite of how the original part was installed. But we can do that. I'm gonna have to lift up on the door a little bit to pop this on. All right, I lost my broom again. Okay, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, starting with this clip. Note that I did replace my broom, which is holding up my hatch, just in case. Okay, there's the clip. And then all we have to do is pop this off the ball joint and pop that off, okay? I popped the new one on both ball joints. I had a little bit more trouble. I used my large flat tip to pop the old one off this time. Now we're gonna try the hatch, make sure it works. I have the new one on over here. I popped it on the ball joint here and here. I did have to adjust how it was screwed on so that this one that faces onto the side and this one that faces up were both lined up with their ball joint. I just had to tighten it a little bit. I had a little bit of trouble getting this one off of the ball joint, the old one, so I just used my large flat tip screwdriver to pop it off. Now we're going to test the hatch, make sure it works. Let's try opening it. All right, looks like a job well done. I hope it goes well for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.